Hello, everyone. So, very excited about this latest green card approval. This client of ours, she came to see us last year, early to middle part of last year, and she had come into the US on a J1 visa. It's a cultural exchange program. She was coming to one of the colleges in the United States, and she got here only to be shocked and devastated about the turn of events. So the program director had and was housing a number of students, Ghanaian students who had come from Ghana on this J1 program. This program director was a professor at one of the colleges. I do have her permission to share this story. According to my clients, this program director had attempted to traffic them as commercial sex workers or for commercial sex. And he had also tried to assault her sexually. At some point, even pulled out a gun on her and these other students. It was a pretty bad experience or encounter for her. And so she realized that the program, was non-existent. It was a fraudulent program. There was no program she was coming to. The whole point of coming in was to become, undergo some commercial sex work that had been arranged by this Ghanaian professor in one of the colleges. So they reported the issue and the program was cancelled and terminated, and they took care of that. And so when she came to us, she was really devastated, lost, confused. She was in a foreign land and she was just shocked that the whole thing was a scam or was fake. And we started the process of trying to get a green card for her. She was subject to the 2-year home residency requirements under the J1 visa, which means that after the J1 visa, she has to go back home and spend 2 years before she can get a green card or try to do an adjustment of status. So if you have that home residence requirement, you're required to go back home for 2 years and then spend 2 years at home or in your home country, in this case, which was Ghana. The clients did not want to go back to Ghana for 2 years before coming back. And so we applied to the US Department of State to waive or to put aside that 2-year home residence requirement. And that's what we did in order to enable her apply for her green card through the adjustment of status method. So we applied for the J1 waiver with the Ghana Embassy in DC, and they also forwarded it to the scholarship secretariat in Ghana. We worked with the people there, got the waiver approved by the Department of State, and then we were able to apply for her green card for her. The green card application got approved yesterday, and she is so excited, overwhelmed with so much joy, looking at her story of how she came and things were really bad, and then from being a victim to finally obtaining her freedom in the US and being a permanent resident. So guys, thank you all so much for continually referring people who are like in desperate situations, who don't know who to turn to, or that you guys continue to share our information to people, because that's how she found us. Obviously, she couldn't confide in anyone about this situation, but she had found our information, and then she contacted us, and we've been able to assist her, find her feet in the United States. So we're really excited about it, that she's going to finally be able to live her American dream. And so if you have any US immigration challenge or problem, don't hesitate to give us a call, 802-780-0564. We will be excited to talk to you and see how best we can help you. Thank you all. Take care. Bye.